Capricorns, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jade and this is Star Moon and Sun Tarot. I'm going to clear the resonance. Alright, Capricorn. This is going to be a reading for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, okay? Wherever you have Capricorn in your chart, there could be messages here for you. Alright, but it's not going to resonate for every single Capricorn. So take what resonates, leave what does not, okay? I just want to say a special thank you to all of you for being here. My subscribers, old and new, people who have ordered readings, people who have donated, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And if you are interested in a private reading, check the description box below. You can find my email as well as other social media platforms to follow me on. Not necessary, but you can if you want. It's appreciated. Alright, so Capricorn is just going to be looking at like the very end of May. We're almost done with May already. It's crazy. And looking at what's coming in for June, and the messages could be anything at all. Let me just see what is happening. Alright, angel spirits and guides, show what I need to see for my Capricorn people. For the highest good, please, for June, May, end of May going into June, right? Healer of the Ages. Healer of the Ages. Love that. And adjacent possibilities is on the bottom. Interesting. So Healer of the Ages is a 51, breaking down to a 6. I mean, it looks very much like Jesus or like an ascended master. Has the halo of enlightenment around the head, right? As well as a very open and glowing heart chakra. Very nice. Ooh, interesting. And this adjacent possibilities, this is a 24, which also reduces to a 6. Let's see what else. Let's see what comes out of this deck. Aquas, please. What else? They need to, thank you. Destiny. Wow. Destiny. It's on the bottom. Oh my god. Every time I'm shuffling, it's a chakra. It was the base chakra, then the crown, then the sacral. Someone's having a hard time opening their chakras here, Capricorn. Somebody might be feeling very trapped and very fearful. And this is causing like blockages. See, there's the throat. But you can triumph over this, okay? I'm going to leave that on the bottom. Let me see. Show me what else I need to see from my Capricorns, please. Oh! Well! Oh my goodness. Okay. Apparently, I am extremely clumsy today. Was that it? That was it. That was all of them. Let's try that one more time. My goodness. Let's see. Angels and guides for my Capricorns, please, for the highest good. Show me what else about this. What's this Healer of the Ages? What is this Healer of the Ages about? Show me more. High Priestess. So, you might be this Healer of the Ages, Capricorn. You could also have this kind of real spiritual energy around you. Or you're learning how to, like overcome any type of negativity and heal things. 7 of Swords in the reverse. Yeah, and ending some burdens here. 10 of Wands. Moving on. This could be self-healing. Yeah, healing. The star is very healing energy. Show me the adjacent possibilities. Wow, 10 of Cups, Strength, 7 of Wands. So you're healing your energy, Capricorns, and it looks really good. You're High Priestess, star kind of energy. Possibly something is going to bloom here. See how that something is blooming in that cup? Because the you know, I'm asking about adjacent possibilities. We've got 10 of Cups, Strength. Okay, it could be a Leo. 7 of Wands. This is some type of strong connection, strong bond, worth defending. Moving forward on. 3 of Wands. This path being illuminated. You know, perhaps you're healing something. Healing yourself can lead to these adjacent possibilities. Wow. You're being spiritually guided. This is the Hierophant and the 8 of Wands. You're getting like spiritual messages, and they're trying to direct you and help guide you. Okay, this is also Taurus energy. Wow. Let me see what I get from Lenormand. Yeah, because destiny, right? We know the you know, with the Hierophant and the 8 of Wands, that's, they're trying to, like, they're like spiritual guides and angels are like trying to guide you through this change, this crossroad type of energy here. And we have the Clover. Okay, this is good luck. This is things that are serendipitous. This is, you know, but sometimes it can come with, sorry, negativities attached to it. Yeah. Whatever, you may have been trying to start again. There could be, you could have Aquarius in your chart, or deal with an Aquarius, a Taurus, a Leo. But something's happening like over and over again with the rods, right? And here we have the ship. Moving on, moving forward. Oh, crap. The anchor's on the bottom. you can't. Shoot. You might be trying to move forward in something. Let me get some more. You know, because with Lenormand, it's all about, you know, what other cards are relevant. Whatever this destiny is, this is coming in, bringing you, making you the privileged lady, this healing of the ages. Interesting. And 333. 333. 333. Okay. Somebody is possibly concerned about how you're spending your money, right? Because we have the concern, like first the privileged lady came out, right? And then there was concern, and then there was poverty. So somebody might be very concerned about moving forward here in some type of, you know, possibility business venture, something that's going to be stable and enduring and, you know, work out well. You have, like, luck here. You have the ship. Let's see. What's the advice? Oops. Page of Coins. There's a communication or offer. Ooh. 4 of Coins. Wow. 5 of Wands, the Moon, 10 of Cups. There is some type of hidden competition, secrets here, that you might be trying to heal. It's also, you might not see these adjacent possibilities. You might be so focused with what you're holding on to and what you're trying to fight for here that you might not see, right, with the Moon, these this 10 of Cups. Some type of equal balance, right? Interesting. This painful clarity can actually bring wish fulfillment and balance and stability. Queen of Coins. Wow. Seven of Rods. Someone, defend yourself, be defensive, right? Keeping your guard up. When it comes to your intuition, your healing, your personal development, your finances, right? Yeah. Because we have the Seven of Swords again. You have seen something that is deceptive. It has cleared your third eye. And although it is painful, oh my God, the Empress was hiding underneath it. Look at that. And the Queen of Coins, all right? This is a woman who is balanced, financially stable, extremely abundant, and wife material, okay? If you are a masculine, don't worry. I just happen to use a lot of feminine decks. It's still very good, nurturing energy. The Devil. This is lust and some type of toxicity. It flew right over here by the Seven of Swords and the clarity. It's also, you know, Capricorn. So it's not always a bad thing. Yeah, there's some type of soulmate, Six of Cups connection that is, it's some type of adjacent possibility. It's going to become clear. What? Two of Cups. Yeah. It's like the wheel can't turn. I'm looking at the bottom of the deck here on this new Ace of Wands because this cycle, the world, isn't being closed out. Someone's holding on, maybe not using their discernment here in some type of situation. Let me see this one. Trust your intuition. Okay. Capricorns. Trust your intuition. Let's get one for my Capricorns. This is the Beyond Lemuria oracle. Thank you. Ooh, sacral chakra, core of creation. Yes. Cleanse and balance all your chakras if possible. You can do it with visualizations. You can do it with like guided meditations. You can find them right on YouTube here and stuff. I just wanted to look at this yeah, again, I ended up with a chakra on the bottom. This is the high heart chakra in this deck. This deck has all the chakras as well. So yeah, really, really focus on balancing and clearing your chakras. Okay. That's the sacral chakra. That's core of creation. So that's I just want you guys to be able to see this with the snake and the wings and the spirals and the sun. Isn't that beautiful? It's very much like sacred kundalini. Yeah, do some chakra cleansings for all your chakras. During this time, it would be really, really beneficial. All right, Capricorn. So that is what I have for you. You know, I am sorry if some of you are trying to deal with some of this energy. You might be trying to heal something and not see something, you know, or you're healing yourself here, and it's going to open up these new doors, these adjacent possibilities, and your destiny awaits here. Yeah, all the chakras. Here's the 7th chakra in this deck now. A lot of importance on the chakras for June, okay? Please keep that in mind. All right, so that is what I have for you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you guys next time. All right, much love. Bye.